narrative as we all went through the five problems as the to save the paratroopers and the to prevent the arms and ammunition.
I think first we
And
should decide that our aim is to reach to attend the guest lectures.
First of all, we have to discuss what will be our priorities to.
And I think we had
help the
identified
pregnant
the
woman
five
is our
priorities.
priority.
So the priority order should be decided first.
So
I think
The terror attack in the Viratnagar, I think.
first the injured pilot is there.
No, I think the first priority should be terror attack in the virus
second to the
Viratnagar.
pregnant lady, and third to the ammunition in the arms trucks, and fourth to the Mahi
water canal.
and fifth is the
Shepherd collect and gather them
and also the fuel of the jeep is not there.
So we have to.
So it is one of the problems.
As most of the problems were five, and our aim to have the study.
So I think first four of us will
reach to
member of the
Sahu
group
by
will
1
reach to
PM.
the person who is injured from where the screams were coming. We will use the parachute and make that unconscious man to lie
And
on that
made
parachute
him
and
the unconscious
made him to reach into the van
and
and
collect
give him the first
and
aid.
also collect the details about the others. So this can also
Friends,
help
I
us
think
to
we can-
get identified.
I think we can
should
fill-
give the first aid to the
Which is
So what about the pregnant woman right now? What we are doing for her? She is in labor pain. She I is not in think normal pain. We can use the I think we should go for the local stations of
van
Viratnagar.
which was to take the pilot to the hospital. So along with that, the lady will be
because
yes,
it is
firstly
the pilot
So there is nobody for help for the pregnant woman, so some will go to that
Friends, but
hospital.
we have, I think
But we are forgetting that our van has no fuel and some of the persons should go to the Viratnagar.
And also we can bring both the pregnant lady and the pilot from this
So we
wing
should divide the group
to
into 3 and 3, no?
Yes,
And two
while
also.
we are giving the first
And there we can inform the whole thing.
fuel of the RH van and using it to our van, which is the college van.
So
and take
there is no petrol pump here, so where
As our first problem is solved, as most of us members were agree, so we have now heading towards the second problem that we are going to solve. We should reach the.
So I think
we should-
three of the problems are being solved simultaneously.
there is no mobile connection, so I think we should send some people to get help from there.
Problems are tackled simultaneously.
and the rest people can go to Mahi after taking some.
I think
some
instead of
Mahi
going
is very far.
Send
We cannot go pilot back. after getting recovered.
I think we should
requires more time.
Mahi. First, we should reach to the FRH and inform about the crash which had happened nearby the forest, and also inform about the headwork which is going to be blast
And about
by
the arms
12
and
PM.
I think some people
I
should go to Viratnagar and get transfer from local
pilot and
people.
ammunition
Ready to the Viratnagar.
Akash only when we are going to take the
As we are in the time
How can we inform to Akash that there is no
Viratnagar,
public?
as we are in the time constraint, so rather than going towards the Akash,
We can go to Viratnagar and take help of
I think
local
it
people.
has to be
headquarters and inform that about the whatever pilots.
The truck is in the Viratnagar now. It will go to Akash. So we can solve the problem at Viratnagar.
Viratnagar is very closer than Akash.
I think we can easily cover up the distance.
Yes, we can
Yes.
easily cover.
We can get help from local people of Viratnagar also. But I think we can, to save the time, we can send
and we can go
the pilot to the
towards
Viratnagar and
without any vehicle.
we can
and
get local people help.
We can take
Help of local people.
to Mahi and
To save the dam.
to them.
I agree with the chess number one that we can take this as a solution for the next two.
So we can also send some people to help the shaper to get his shape.
There are also villagers and
We can take their public transport, we can take their private transport to help the pregnant woman, and then somebody will vent them with Akash so they get help.
I think these problems.
The most important problem right now is that I think the pregnant lady's labor pain. Everything can solve with that also, no? I think we have specific time. We have specific time now to go to Akash and help them.
I think
But
we
we
are
tell them.
having enough time, so we are using
And the
Akash
woman who is
headquarters.
in labor pain, she need just.
I think 3 problems we have solved.
I think we need to divide our group. There is no petrol pump nearby, so we cannot take food from anywhere right now. We have to go to Viratnagar.
And we can also solve by the help of authorities.
We have to first go to Viratnagar and help from the local people, ask for their public transport and private transport, then came to FRH, take the lady with ourselves, and then went to Akash and also.
We people, two
guards
of us
then,
will
and
move
then
from
we can
Akash
took
village to the
the
Mahi
pregnant
headworks
lady to
and
the
check the
Virat
police
Nagar.
station also.
We don't need to go to my headquarters. We can call from Akash only. They are information there.
Akash, as we see that the distance between as we are in the FRS, we are already
We
in
have
the
to
FRS.
walk till that distance and it would take
Actually, the phone connections are not in
We can take any vehicle from Viratnagar to go. If FRS has then go to them. We can take any vehicle from
We don't need to
Viratnagar.
go to them. We go to Akash to get some problem. They first want some phone connection.
As the Akash is the headquarter of the
No,
city.
For
but we
time
are
constraint, we
supposed.
have to move. We have to take in this mind. And
I think from
where
Virat
also the
Nagar, from where
Mahadev-
I think I would like to ask one thing, that if we are going through the Pagdandi to Virat Nagar and then going to Mahi headworks, then how much time will it going to take? And from where?
More we have to go to Akash
We
first.
take it less as we are going to.
Okay, you are going to take the vehicle.
Friends, I think we are forgetting
Mahi
the
from
forest
which way?
guards when
We don't
which
need to
was,
take the
which-
vehicle to Akash headquarters. We can
take
call
vehicle
from
from
Akash
Viratnagar.
also.
We can
All
get
the communication
I think
services
we
are
can get
there.
the forest guards
In Akash they are. In market.
I think, guys, listen. Going to Mahi headworks is the way from Akash village to Mahi, because there is no direct way. It is a Pagdandi, and Pagdandi will take more than 2 and 3 hours to reach to the Mahi headworks.
No, there is
Friends, listen to me.
We should reach Viratnagar and then Akash and
local people and then we can move to Akash.
It is 25 to 30 minutes to van.
Viratnagar. So we are at
But we can-
Viratnagar.
We don't need to go to Akash headquarters.
We have totally
We can just use
we
the
have totally
communication
forgot about
services.
the forest man guards when we can just get repaired and take
As
the
case number 4 and 1, if
we can
I
take
think
the
it's
van after getting repaired to the Mahi canal, and this will save the
From
time.
Akash to Mahi. So
We
it
can
is
go to
easier,
Akash
and
first. We
can-
don't need to go Mahi, I think.
Okay, so we
We can solve the pregnant lady's problem and the terrorist problem
Chess
simultaneously.
number 8, we are going in the time constraint as the Mahi headworks. It is low.
We don't need to go to headwork. We go to Akash and then use our phone services. Phone are not in forest
go
only.
in half an hour. We can easily go in half an hour.
Phones are not available in forest only. They are available at Akash.
I
Just
think
because
by
we
taking
said the
a help of
headquarters,
vehicle.
phone are not at forest.
Yes, I would like to ask the path from where you are.
And we are not helping the shepherds. We can send
to
to
Akash
people
and
at
Akash
this way.
to Mahi.
Guys, we have a group.
We can send.
And also
We can divide it into 3, 3
after
and
solving
2.
the Viratnagar
Yes,
problem, we
as
go
this
to
test
Akash
number
and
27
Akash
has
to Mahi.
mentioned,
I
we can
think-
divide the group in 4 subgroups, and then people will do everything.
I think the group should be divided between 3, 3 and 2.
All the works are and all the problems are solved simultaneously. And we have, as in the starting, we have to take the 10 minutes to plan our actions. So as we are all know that we are at the 10 and we have to reach back in the college by the 11 by 1. But we have to minus. We have to less our traveling time as the 30 minutes. We have to travel
2 hours 30 minutes. are there.
Akash is not that far away, so we don't need half an hour to
going
go
to
there.
plan our action. So the time left.
I partially agree with you, test number 9,
2 or 20 minutes for
because the pregnant lady can't wait for the 10
I think we can divide our group into 3, 3 and 2.
I
So
think
2
we-
can help
I
the
think we
shaper,
can
3
take the
can
petrol
go with the
from
pregnant woman and 3 can go with the pilot. We don't need to go my headquarters. We can go to Akash and use mobile phone to call the my headquarters.
Yes,
So 2 can help the shaper. No, mobile services are not there in the forest. In Akash headquarters they are.
No, there is
In headquarters they are available now.
Services are not there in any situation. We cannot take help.
So we can
about
use the
mobile service.
I think from Akash we can. I think we are going from Viratnagar to Akash and Akash to Mahi headworks. And then we are going to inform the operators who are available.
So we can
there
take first the
that
pregnant
headworks
lady
is
to
going
Akash,
be,
then the
exploded
bus will
Friends,
go
we
to
can also do that.
by 12 p.m.
As I have told earlier many times, we can also use the guards van, which we can get repaired in the minimum
Yes, we
time,
can
and
take
then
help from
we
local
can
people
take
and
that
get it
from
repaired, yes.
FRH to Mahi canal there, and there we can inform them. This will
But at then
save
some
much of the
some
time.
authorities will be there. At
Of
them.
course, at
Akash
Viratnagar
also.
there-
We can
Viratnagar
also
is-
In Akash also some police stations are there. They can also move from there
Yes,
to
we
Mahi. We
can
don't need to go
also-
everywhere.
As our problems were going to
And
solve,
2
so
people
we
are
have
also
to make
helping
towards
shapers.
What is the distance and what will be the time we have to take our action?
I think we can
And
divide the
what is
group
time
into
From
3 and
FRH
2.
to Akash, it is going to be 15 kilometers. So it will
So
be
from
it
the
will be-
FRS to the we are going to the
Akash.
Akash headquarters to solve our problems. Then it will around the
30 minutes and the
30
distance is
minutes.
around around 15 kilometers.
So 15 and 15, then we have to reach back also, so 30 kilometers were
Yes.
total. And
We can
now
also
one
inform
plus
local
20
police in Akash,
approx
na?
30
They can
minutes
solve
we
that
are going
problem
to
in
solve.
Mahi.
We are going to get towards the
It will
Akash
take
and we
around
will reach
And
back
we
towards the
now
Akash.
we have
50
1
minutes.
hour and 50 minutes left.
Instead of going to Mahi, we should inform
Akash.
Viratnagar headquarters, local authorities to help the people in Mahi village. Instead of us going, because it will.
There are a lot of people. We can go to Akash. We can call the
Instead of
people of our
time,
group will help the shepherds, so we can solve the problem
And
simultaneously.
We have already need to go there, so we can.
discuss about the
time and
time
distance.
and the distance as our problem.
Till
How to
Akash,
solve.
I think-
we are discussing.
But
Just number 19 till Akash we have discussed.
I think we divide the
1 hour
group
and 50 minutes
into
left.
15 minutes, then after which we are heading towards the Mahi. And then
I think we can divide the group into 3, 3 and 2 away from the place.
Women and
Look, if we are going from FRH to Viratnagar, we are going through a Pagdandi, and it is around 3 kilometer. If you can see that it is 3 kilometer, and it would take 1.5 hours definitely, or more than 1 hour. So it is a time waste that we are going from FRH to Viratnagar. I think we should move from FRH to Akash directly, and then
Yes.
Akash to Mahi headworks.
to Mahi Edworks, then we to solve our
We
problem.
can also inform the local police of Akash na, to solve.
So we
to
can
inform
come
the
back from
Mahi.
Akash to Viratnagar. It is only around 9 kilometers. So it would take
As our
around
group are divided into
15 to
2,
20
2
minutes.
and 2. So
Okay, last 2 minutes.
the two of us will go the Akash and head towards the Viratnagar to say that there will be the arms and ammunition truck. At
So how
the
we
arms
will
and
go to
ammunition truck
Akash?
will
They
go
will take the
towards
help
that.
first from local police.
Let two people be staying there and help the shepherd, and other people can move towards Akash.
I think helping shepherd is something like
We have to give the example of
We don't have the time to help when we will
She
came to that.
like she
No.
can take.
No, it can wait, but we don't have enough time when we came and help the shepherd. So 2 will help the shepherd
We have group of
continuously.
8 people. We can.
I
think
divide
we
the
should
group.
decide
As we are in the time constraint, so now we are going our
Yes.
discussion in the conclusion basis. So
Yes.
forward we are the final discussion and final
2
solution
people
to
will
this
help the
problem.
shepherds, I think, and 3 will went to Akash.
No,
right now.
shepherd's help is
No,
not
friends, we are
necessary, like,
forgetting. No, 2 can help them. We don't need 6 people to
We
go
have
to
6
Akash,
people
then
already.
Mahi, or to help the
Akash,
pregnant
Mahi,
lady. We don't
Viratnagar.
need 8 people to help her. Or
I
even,
think 2 of the people which were already present at FRH will be staying at FRH only, and we all had decided to meet at FRH at the last. And the person who were going, 2 person, those who were going with the authorities at Mahi Headworks will reach to Sherpur directly with not with us at the junction point. We will meet with each other,
At the
and
last.
yes, and
Then
the 4 person in the Akash village and the 2 person in the Viratnagar will meet with each other.
Yes. It can be.
then when we will help the shepherds.
Now talk about the
Parents,
time.
they will-
We all decided, and now
And
talk about the time.
We can take the pregnant lady also with us na, when we are going to Akash village. When we are going to Akash village, we will drop them in the hospitals, then we will go to Mahi village and then solve the
We can
problem.
reach Akash in like we have left time 1 hour and 50 minutes. So decide about the comeback time
And
to
before
reach
that,
the
we have
FRH.
to get our fuel back as the truck is not going to work, and so we are
We are getting the help from
get our
Viratnagar local
petrol
people, so we can get
So
their
now,
transports
this problem
also.
is solved, so the last
Okay.
discussion is going
We can
towards
come-
the
Okay, we will conclude.
chess. If all of us will agree, just chess number
Chess number
16, I will